Well, we're off for another Cape Ann Photo Tours adventure. We're going out to around Rockport and look for snow pictures. Boy, we got a lot of snow. We got about 15 inches of snow here. It's great. Boy, I can't wait to take some photographs around here. Look, gonna be fun. Well, here we are the day after the storm, and the whole lobster fleet's in. But, you know, it's really, really windy out. But there's a lot of great photographs here in town. Over there on the other side, there's some great lobster traps that are covered with snow. And it's gonna be fun taking some photographs around here with the X-T3 and the 16 to 80. What a great combination that is. And I'm gonna have a lot of fun. So follow me along as I roam around town, and hopefully this mask won't get in the way too much. So, talk to you in a bit. Wow, there's snow everywhere. It's great. Boy, this is great. There's snow everywhere. Christmas in Rockport. You can't beat it. It's awesome. Here's my first victim right here. I love this bench. I get a good shot of this. It's tricky walking over here, boy. Got to stay in the snow or you're going to end up on your face. But it's worth it because there's some great lobster traps over here that are filled with snow. Awesome picture. Probably make for a good black and white shot. Who knows? Oh, wait till you see this. It's awesome. This is cool. Holy mackerel. Great stuff here. Of course, somebody's already been over here to take a photo of it, but it's pretty cool. Wow, this is gonna be awesome. Just plain awesome. Well, that's it from snowy downtown Rockport. Just a little trip around town to get some photographs of the snow lying around. It's pretty magical, I will say that. But of course, it'll be gone in a couple of days. I should say off the trees and things, so it won't be nearly as nice. So, hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. And please go to capeandphototours.com and take a gander around, look at our workshops and things. Happy holidays, everyone. And hopefully your holiday season will be great. We'll talk to you next week.